Let's trade it now with Scotty Bauer, CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. How are you approaching your example trade for NVDA, Scott?
I mean, NVIDIA, you look at these charts here, and even without having those upgrades, and we continue to get them, this has been buy the dip. I'm not buying into rallies, I'm buying on dips. And until that trend ends, I've got to go with it. Technically, that is what the charts are telling me to do. So as a trader, I respect that. So based on that, I am buying just a simple call spread. I'm going out of about a month or so, but I'm before earnings. So earnings are later in November. I'm going to use the November 14th expiration, and I'm just going to buy the simple 185 200 call spread. It's about $15 wide, or it is $15 wide. I want to pay $5 or less for that. Typically, I look for a little bit better return on that, and this would be 2-to-1. But since the call that I'm buying is really pretty much at the money, that lowers that a little bit. And again, I mean, this has been buy the dip, and that trend will hold until it doesn't at some point. I mean, that's what happens with technical analysis and trends. But there's really nothing in the way here of this thing going to 200, in my opinion.
What's your steer on the market performance today, particularly in light of the earnings that we've got and what we've been hearing from the big banks and other companies out there, Scott?
I mean, you have to be pretty optimistic, at least from the financials, setting the bar pretty high for the rest of earnings season here. That being said, we haven't seen the market volatility over the last few days that we've seen for about, maybe 2-3 months. And that's all because of obviously tariff news and tweets. And so, we might be back in that kind of arena again, where we have to be cautious of that. But again, just like with NVIDIA, until this trend changes, and it will at some point, this is still a buy the dip.
Okay. Yep, certainly seems to be one. Thanks so much, as always, Scott Bauer, for your insights this morning. That is the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy joining me there.